Wow, this is about the loudest I've heard SoFi Stadium testing their PA system. Pretty booming bass. Back end there of the performance venue. Doesn't look like too much has been developing there. So this is the final update of SoFi Stadium and Hollywood Park development for 2020. So it's recently announced, following the tragic death of one of the workers on the roof, Juan Becerra, over near this vicinity. Fabritech structures as well as ZD inspection were fined, I think in excess of $54,000 for various violations. One of which included, I guess, a hole in the roof where the worker fell. Mind you, wasn't tied off properly with secure equipment, but resulting in a 120-foot fall, and ultimately took his life. So with Mr. Becerra's death, there now have been a total of 4 people dying on this property. 3 of which were workers, 1 a homeless person. And the ETFE is looking really nice after a really good day of rain we had earlier in the week. So look at the 5G building. See, the walls are going up. It's looking clean. So let's go ahead and make our way down Prairie to the Hollywood Park district. Now, most recently, about the middle of December, there was a crane accident. I'm assuming it's this tower crane and not the smaller one. This tower crane's got a heavier payload. So apparently, something was being lowered and the heavy weight of some cargo came down and crushed a worker, and unfortunately the worker died of those injuries. Now, I guess OSHA is investigating this, and I had not really heard about this until recently, so I was wondering why I had not seen the construction that normally you see going on here day to day, with a lot of workers over on this side, as well as some of the steel structures down the corner of Prairie and Century. So it looks like it's going to be at least 2 weeks now. Most of this area is shut down, construction parts, until the investigation, I guess. They can complete that and deem the work area to be safe again. So just area getting hit hard again with just misfortune, and as well as just the sadness of another person losing their life on this stadium and future site of entertainment, as well as residential areas. So I'll just recap. There were 2 workers on this site, 1 on the stadium that lost his life, another worker lost his life on the Hollywood Park Entertainment District, and then a 3rd worker died of some sort of health issues, along with some sort of a drug substance abuse issue, and then the 4th person just so happened to be a homeless person and died while on the premises. Alright, so there's your final update of 2020. Hopefully some better news to come in the following year, 2021. Thanks for watching.